Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly relist your items on Facebook Marketplace. So if you're looking to sell some old things that you have in your home, or basically resell things on Facebook Marketplace, this video is going to allow you to actually relist at a quicker place so that you can continually relist your products at ease. So what you want to do first is go into Facebook Marketplace and log into your account. Then afterwards, click on Selling. And then this is where you're going to see your current listings. With these current listings, you simply just want to click on Relist this item. And that right there is how you actually relist your item on Facebook Marketplace very, very quickly. So if you can imagine, you're going to have a lot of listings over here. So this is just an example. You can simply just click on the relist this item and that listing is going to reappear on the Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace makes it extremely easy to actually relist your items. You can actually just relist your items fairly quickly and not really have to worry about creating a new listing every single time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, do leave them down below.